Hello, dear students. I was praying to God. Do you pray? What do you ask God in prayer? This chapter is a poem. Actually, it is a prayer, a prarthana, which the poet is praying to God. He's asking God for strength to do his duties and to serve others and be a good citizen of the country. So let's go through the poem. Before that, we'll see the mind map.
So dear students, this is the mind map of the lesson. वह शक्ति हमें दो. The poet is asking God to give Shakti, strength to do duties, his duties, कर्तव्य, and शक्ति सेवा करने की, पर सेवा, दूसरों की सेवा, that is service to others, and he's asking God to give me the strength to relieve others' pain, संताप हरने की शक्ति, शुद्ध जीवन जीने की शक्ति, that is he wants to lead a simple life. God give me the strength for that. Strength to love others, prem, and strength to follow his boundaries, अपनी मर्यादा का पालन करने की शक्ति. वह शक्ति हमें दो. चैप्टर 1. वह शक्ति हमें दो दया निधे, कर्तव्य मार्ग पर डट जाएं, पर सेवा पर उपकार में हम जग जीवन सफल बना जाएं. The poet is saying, God, give me the strength, Shakti, to do my duties, strength to do good to others and serve others, so that others' life and also my life will be fruitful. Dayanidhe is God, Kartavya duties, Par Seva, service to others, Par Upkar, doing good to others, Jagjivan, the creation, Safal is successful. हम दीनहीन निबलों विकलों के सेवक बन संताप हरें, जो हैं अटके भूले भटके उनको तारें खुद तर जाएं. God, give us the strength so that we will be servants to the destitute, the weak and the handicapped. Vikalo is handicapped. Sevak ban santap hare will be servants and we will relieve them of their pain and trouble. Those who have wandered from the way or are stuck in the way, we will help them to cross over, and we ourselves also should be able to cross over. So God give us the strength for that. So Nibalo is weak, Sevak is servants, Santap is pain, Atke, those who are stuck, Tare, cross over. छल दंभ द्वेष पाखंड झूठ अन्याय से निशिदिन दूर रहें, जीवन हो शुद्ध सरल अपना, शुचि प्रेम सुधा रस बरसाएं. The poet is saying, God, help us to stay away from cheating, pride, jealousy, hypocrisy, lies, and injustice day and night. Let our lives be pure and simple, and help us to shower pure love, which is compared to nectar here. So we want to shower pure love on all creation. So the meanings are chal, cheating, dambh, pride, dvesh, jealousy, pakhand, hypocrisy, jhoot, lies, अन्याय, injustice, निशिदिन, day and night, शुद्ध, pure, सरल, simple, प्रेम, love, आन बान मर्यादा का प्रभु ध्यान रहे अभिमान रहे, जिस देश जाति में जन्म लिया बलिदान उसी पर हो जाए. God, help us to be careful, to respect our boundaries and to take pride in them, and let us sacrifice our lives for the country where we were born. मर्यादा, duties, the boundaries. ध्यान रहे, be careful. अभिमान, take pride. जन्म, born. बलिदान, sacrifice.
तो बच्चों, हमने देखा मुरारी लाल शर्मा देशबंधु जी ने कितनी अच्छी प्रार्थना की है। वह शक्ति हमें दो, शक्ति के लिए हमें भी यही प्रार्थना रोज करनी चाहिए. We should also pray this prayer. Don't you think so? So, go through this poem, study well, and take care. Thank you.